After the floodwaters receded, some things were still waiting to be found.
Beneath this murky water, something is waiting to be discovered.
It's not just an object, it's a piece of the past, buried and forgotten.
A machine, once powerful, once admired.
Now, nothing more than a relic left behind.
But for some, this is not the end.
They don't just see what's lost, they see what it could become.
A car, nearly erased by time, begins its return. This is a story of rescue and rebirth.
Morning arrives, and with it, a chance to uncover what was left behind. Every step forward reveals just how much was buried.
And then, they find it.
Not just any wreck, but something worth saving.
Carefully, they reach into the past.
But slowly, it starts to move.
Every pull carries resistance, as if time itself won't let go.
A forgotten legend rises again. Pulled from the depths, but far from restored.
Now the real question begins. What's left of it? Years of damage, hidden beneath layers of mud.
The engine, once powerful, now barely recognizable.
Every component tells the same story: neglect, time, and water.
Inside, it's even worse.
What was once crafted with pride now feels forgotten.
Most would walk away, call it beyond repair.
But beneath all this, something still remains. A hint of what it used to be, and what it could become again.
Layers of damage, stripped away piece by piece. This is where everything changes, where the rebuild begins.
It starts by taking everything apart. To understand what can be saved and what must be replaced.
Underneath the surface, the truth begins to show.
Some parts are beyond repair, but not beyond replacement.
Precision. Patience. Every move brings it closer to life. The inside holds the deepest scars. Everything here has been touched by water and time. Layer after layer, the damage runs deeper than expected.
But this is where the real story begins to surface.
Wait, something doesn't belong here.
Buried beneath everything, a hidden piece of the past.
Not just any fragment, but a mark frozen in time.
A signature from 1969, still intact.
This wasn't just a machine. It was someone's story.
This isn't just installation, it's precision in motion.
Every millimeter matters. They're secured with care, built to last. Connections restored. Energy begins to flow again.
With its story uncovered, The rebuild takes on new meaning. Every piece now placed with purpose, not just repair, but respect. Restoring not just function, but identity. The past is no longer hidden.
What was once buried now shines brighter than ever.
And then, the moment of truth.
For a second, it hesitates.
Then, it breathes again.
Not just restored, reborn.
And now, it faces the world again.
No longer forgotten. No longer broken.
Every detail brought back to life. And the past rides along with it. From the depths of water to the freedom of the road. This isn't just restoration.
It's resurrection.
A story that refused to disappear. Because some legends are meant to return.
This is not a real restoration. It is a creative AI visualization. I use AI tools and editing to bring this story to life. Thank you for watching. See you again.